What are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are found extensively in both healthy and unhealthy foods. Carbohydrates are the most abundant among four major classes of biomolecules, for example, proteins, fats, carbohydrates, and nucleotides. Carbs play numerous metabolic roles, from energy production and transportation to being a structural component of complex multicellular organisms. Also called saccharides, carbohydrates consist of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms. Depending on the complexity, carbohydrates are divided into monosaccharides, one that cannot be hydrolyzed further to give a simpler sugar, for example glucose, disaccharides, combination of two monosaccharides, for example glucose with fructose, sucrose, and polysaccharides, combination of two or more disaccharides, for example starch and fiber. Foods rich in carbs include bread, pasta, rice, beans, potatoes, bran, and cereals. Most carbohydrate-rich foods have high starch content. Carbohydrates coming from unprocessed, natural foods such as fruit, vegetables, cereals, and whole grains also contain essential vitamins, minerals, fiber, and vital phytonutrients. In simple form, monosaccharide, they provide energy to the body. For example, glycose, while being complex, polymers or polysaccharides, they function as protective membranes for organisms and cells, as long-term food storage molecules, and as the primary structural support for plants. For example, glycocalyx. 1 gram of carbohydrates yields approximately 4.1 kilocalories and are the most common source of energy for most organisms, including humans. Our brain requires carbohydrates as fuel, specifically glucose.